LA&P students, this is Mr. Becker here to talk about the muscles of the anterior compartment of the forearm. These come in three primary layers, and the way the model is organized, you have to keep in mind where the middle layer is actually located. Most of the muscles of the anterior compartment of the forearm are going to originate from the medial epicondyle of the humerus and are going to flex the wrist or the hand, located over here slightly off screen. The superficial layer of the anterior compartment forearm muscles starts with the pronator teres up here, which is going to be part of the pair of muscles that help to pronate our forearm. And then we have ourselves the flexor carpi radialis and the flexor carpi ulnaris. Sitting directly in the middle of these is the muscle that 80% of you have, the palmaris longus muscle. The flexor carpi muscles, as they sound like, are going to flex the wrist. The palmaris longus sends a tendon out over the flexor retinaculum and into the hand and is going to help to flex the palm. Sitting directly underneath this set of four muscles is the flexor digitorum superficialis. The flexor digitorum superficialis. And then if I remove this, we can see the cut right here. So this is the flexor digitorum superficialis here, and then we can see our flexor carpi and palmaris longus and pronator teres muscle groups from behind. And then we can see here the flexor digitorum superficialis originating from the same location and then going to extend across this way. Underneath that, we have the flexor digitorum profundus, this muscle right here. Ignore the blood vessels and the nerves for this point in time. And then over on this side here, we have ourselves the flexor pollicis longus. The flexor pollicis longus. And the one that isn't well represented on here, located right about here, deep to the flexor pollicis and the flexor digitorum profundus, is the pronator quadratus muscle, the other muscle that's going to be involved in pronation of our forearm.